What did you find? Is that Mama's purse? Uh-oh. Are you taking everything out? Shakira, Rihanna! What are you doing? Why are you smiling? It's not a good thing. Shakira! I think I'm spoiling you. I am. Please don't tear that paper. Can you put everything back? Put everything back. Put this $5 back. Put it back. You have everything out. Ariana. Please put it back. No? Yes. Ariana, please put it back.